Hello, I want to show you today the replacement pen, the stylus pen for Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G in my case. It comes in a little box like this, then it's got a foam protector, and you just pop it out like that, and there you go. That's the pen, that's the stylus pen right there. Clicks, it's got the button on the side, connects to Bluetooth, anything and everything that you expect from it to do, it does. It works just as well as the original one. I honestly can't tell the difference. It charges quick, the charge lasts, all the air actions work. Again, anything that you expect from it to do, just like the original pen that came with the phone, it does. It works. I can't tell the difference between this one, the replacement, and the original. Mine stopped working. I bought this. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not. It works perfectly fine, just like the original. I think if you have any doubts about it, don't anymore. Bluetooth, everything works just fine. Just like you expect, just like the original pen.